experimental popping corn in a cage. Yes, indeed, in a cage. Here's the top of the stairs view of the garden beds with the Annabelle hydrangeas and the Solomon seal and the hostas and irises and echinacea. Oh yes, spring is here to stay. At least for now anyway. 2 days of rain and everything's just popping. I got radishes popping and I have my green beans. They're poking their little heads out of the soil. Happy birthday, green beans. Can't wait to eat you. What else can I make with this huge amount of rhubarb I have, other than a cobbler? Leave it in the comments below. Help!